In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel a Booking.com hotel reservation. Let's dive right in. First, open the Booking.com app or visit the website. Log in with your email or Google account, whichever you used while booking. Once you're logged in, go to the Bookings section. There, you'll find a list of your reservations. Find the hotel reservation you want to cancel and tap on it. Next, look for the three dots menu, usually in the corner of the reservation card. Tap on it, and you'll see a Cancel button. Go ahead and tap Cancel. After that, Booking.com may ask you to select a reason for the cancellation. Pick the one that fits best, and then confirm by tapping Cancel My Booking. Finally, tap OK to wrap things up. And that's it. Your hotel booking is now officially canceled. Quick tips to avoid cancellation fees. Always check the cancellation policy before booking. Some reservations are fully refundable up to a certain date. If you're close to a deadline, try contacting the hotel directly. They might be flexible. And if your trip is far out, consider choosing free cancellation filters when searching.